Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Redstone token. Ticker symbol is RED. Now this token just got listed for pre-market trading today, February 6th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Redstone Finance token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, you can find their webpage at redstone.finance. Over there you can find team, careers, documents, blogs, developer information, GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, you name it, all over there. I'm going to put their Twitter up as usual in the corner of the screen here. You can see they have a huge following, 263,000 followers on the Twitter, the fastest growing blockchain oracle. And it was just announced that the RED token, ticker symbol RED, will be listed for pre-market trading. So these are the pre-tokens. This isn't the official token. You can read more about that in an article here. I'll get to that in a second. But you can get the pre-tokens as of today, February 6th, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you are looking to get the RED pre-tokens, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the pre-market trading zone and search RED. Now, pre-market trading is the over-the-counter service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they are officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, Mexc users can gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. Now, what is this project all about here? It says there is a growing need for decentralized applications to access data feeds that are frequently updated, reliable, and secure. Redstone Oracles is a leading oracle provider directly fulfilling this need. Trusted by 100 plus dApps and securing billions of dollars in value, Redstone provides customizable and cost-efficient data streams for builders, empowering the next generation of dApps. Redstone also provides data feeds to blockchains and layer 2 scaling solutions across the entire blockchain ecosystem that are both EVM and non-EVM compatible. And this model of Oracle systems suffers from key inefficiencies, all of which Redstone Oracles was specifically designed to solve from the bottom up. And this makes Redstone a unique Oracle service. So problem number one, the standard approach of providing data to applications is inefficient and expensive. Our solution, Redstone, allows data to be provided on demand rather than on a fixed schedule, reducing the costs of putting data on chain. And this is achieved by storing data off the blockchain as cryptography signed packages and allowing smart contracts of dApps to fetch data when necessary. A note of data integrity: to maintain data integrity, Redstone also provides data feeds to Arweave, a decentralized network that provides data storage. Arweave's decentralized network makes it tamper-proof. Therefore, any data provided by Redstone to Arweave acts as an unbiased source of truth about the historical data provided by Redstone. And overall, Redstone's approach improves efficiency for dApps and significantly reduces the costs for dApps to access data feeds. Problem number 2 that they're trying to solve here is a typical monolithic architecture of Oracle's limits scalability. The solution, Redstone, was designed with a modular architecture, making it easy to incorporate new assets and reduce latency, allowing dApps to scale more efficiently. This means constructing the Oracle in such a way that its various components, such as data sources, validation mechanisms, and delivery methods, can be easily interchanged, updated, or augmented without disrupting the system's overall functionality. The key facts: Redstone secures billions of dollars of value in Web3. Data integrity is fundamental to Redstone and is ensured from start to finish, from source to smart contract. There are 3 different ways to integrate our service tailored to your needs, and we provide feeds for more than 1,000 assets, integrating 180 data sources. We are presently on 50 plus chains. Our code was audited by multiple security experts, including ABDK PeckShield and co-founder of L2Beat. And Redstone supports leading projects like Morpho, Venus, and Pendle Finance. Now, the tokenomics here, it says tokens have proven to be very useful tools for achieving coordination in distributed systems and aligning the incentives of various actors. Redstone facilitates a data sharing ecosystem by incentivizing participants to produce, publish, and validate data in a continuous and diligent way. The end users who benefit from access to valuable information use tokens to reward providers that published this data. The exact fee and the subscription terms are at the discretion of the provider and depend on the effort, demand for data, and potential competition. Every provider needs to publish a service level agreement describing the scope of data being served, the source of information, and the frequency of updates. Because of the diverse nature of the provided information, it's not always possible to decide if data was corrupted. Therefore, it'll be necessary to have a fallback procedure to resolve any disputes about the data quality. And at the early stage of development, the token could be distributed to providers to reward their availability to bootstrap the market before there is enough demand for the data users. So you can find all the other information about this project. You can check out the models, price feeds, NFT data feeds, randomness, data formatting and processing, supported chains, selecting a Redstone model. All of that is available on the documents docs.redstone.finance. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.